What's up guys? Today's video, we're gonna replace the bumper on this Model 3 Highland because Eric decided to drive it into the wall that used to be there. The wall is no longer there. It did damage the bumper right here. So we got a new one. We're gonna replace this bumper and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. All right, so first step is to remove this top vent and that just pops off. Just get our fingers under there. Just work our way around and just like that. That pops off. And then we need to pop this vent off here. It's just 3 clips. So I'm going to grab a pry tool for that. One there, one there, and one there. That comes off. Set that aside. And then we got to take the frunk out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 mils. All right, so before we can pop the actual frunk out, we need to remove this guy because there's a light here. And there's a wiring harness there. So we're just gonna 1, 2, 3 clips there, and then you pop those out and lift up, and then 1 wiring harness right there. All right, for this wiring harness, we need to remove this guy, this little green guy. Just get this guy into there and pull up, just like that. So now that this is removed, now we can remove these 2 10 mils and these 2, and then the frunk will pop right out. So we got our 10 mil on our impact here. 1. You just pull up, this guy will just pop right out. So now we're underneath the car and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 10 mils. We're going to go ahead and remove those. So now we are by the wheel well and we're just going to pop this clip out and this one. So you can and then we'll move up and we'll remove these guys here. 1, 2, 3, and then after that there's an 8 mil up here. All right, so here's the 8 mil that I was talking about. That's on the inside of the fender. We're just gonna get our impact. I can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Now that we've got that 8 mil out, now we can just take and pull this. So we're gonna do that on both sides. And then we're going to come over here and take this 10 mil or these 2 10 mils and these 2 out. We're going to leave the center one in for now. And then we need to pop these guys off. The reason we're leaving the center one in there is just so the bumper doesn't all of a sudden fall when we pop these. So here it's just a matter of pulling back. There's a little clip, just pull it back. Same thing on this side. We're good. And then it's clipped in more here. So once you've got these off, now you can, sounds violent, nothing's breaking unless you don't have other things popped or removed that need to be. Okay, now all that's left is removing this bolt and then a wiring harness. But we're gonna go ahead and set it on the tripod so that I can get down to help me hold this. Okay, so we're removing the last bolt here. Now, the bumper is loose, or it should be. Okay. Other than we got 1 wiring harness to deal with here. We got this wiring harness right here. I'm gonna take my pick tool. We're gonna push that red piece back and then push down on there. And just like that, bumper's loose and dripping water. Up here a little bit. Yep. And I'm just gonna. Oh crap. Okay, I'll have to. Let's see if I can. The bottom piece is on top of this. Let's see. If I can. Oh! That sucks. That was laugh worthy though, for sure. Oh!
Learn after the first
I thought it was done. Apparently, last night's shower wasn't good enough. Yeah, there we go. All right. Now, I just get that guy. Bumper replaced. You're welcome, Eric. All right, that is how to replace the bumper. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with us. Now Eric gets to re-PPF this thing.